Good afternoon, everyone. T-Speaker 222 XRP Future Millionaire with the side bet on XLM Future Digibyte OG. So, guys, same thing. Nothing's changed. We're still in the same setup. The only difference is we came down some from the top up there, and now we kind of, who the fuck knows. We're trying to find volume, but no matter where we go. Up here we had 19, 17. So down here, less. We come up, we come to less. So we're not finding a steady range of volume. That's why we had such a quick drop from 36 almost down to back into the 35, or they're almost down to 33. The line I drew out before for you guys to show you where we touched down kind of hit. It's kind of been running in the same channel. Went a little bit above it, but mostly it acts as, if it goes below it, we're very bearish. If we go above it, we can push up, but we didn't even come close to 37. So it's a very dangerous spot to be in for Doge. For all of them. On the 1 minute, you could just say it's coming through. It could form and come back down, and this could just be an extended head. Or it could have started a new pattern, but to me, easy up, rocky down. Rocky up, easy down. So that's what I'm seeing. I'm not really seeing anything that would change my mind at all. There's no volume coming in. We're stuck at the resistance level. Pattern's not really suggesting we're going to pick up any volume anytime soon. We go up to the top. We have 1.48 million. We come back down. We find a little more volume. And when we crashed all the way, that was when we found the most volume. So that's telling you there's no volume at these levels. No institutions are buying this shit right now. Well, I mean, they are, but not at the level we need them to. They're dumping it. There's more dumping pressure than buying pressure. It's consolidated sideways and down, a little sideways and up today. But we're not hitting new highs. We're not hitting new higher lows. These are all progressively getting worse as the days go on. Wouldn't you have thought we could have made a run up to like $1? 96, 98 if we had any kind of fucking volume? We're actively trying to show that either this is support or resistance. This line right here for XRP. The fact it came down to it so fast. And if it breaks down, it's telling you that's a heavy resistance area. The fact we can't find no volume is detrimental. We're coming down to find volume, but we're finding less. Unless we get down here, then we have more. Less up at this level, even less at that level, which means we got to come back down to find more volume. Very bearish. Yes, you can have that 20% run off the top, but is it worth the risk? To me, it's not. I know the ultimate what's going to happen. So to me, it's just not worth the risk. To you, it might be different, but to me, if I was going to take the risk, like I told you, and you guys saying, can somebody tell me where he said 78 cents? Are you fucking, like, Bob? Oh, he never said to buy at 78 cents. Bob, come on now. Why do you gotta lie to the audience? Well, that's what a bunch of people commented too. Yeah, well, apparently they're not watching my videos. All of them. The whole videos. That's why the 3 minutes and 5 seconds aggravates me. A lot of my info's in the back of the videos on purpose. Stay considerate too, guys. Stay humble, because I'm doing a lot of work for you guys. I got the one donation today, and I do appreciate that. Looking to get some new members of Tom's Army, so show that support. T-Speaker 222 XRP Future Millionaire side bet XLM Future Digibyte OG. Stay true, stay blessed. If you want us to join Tom's Army, why the hell would anybody do that? Links in the description. Join Tom's Army. Click on it. If you want to donate to the channel, well, I certainly know. No, I'm not donating to your bullshit. Well, regardless, Bob, links in the description. Donations are used to send out commemorative coins and to do community-based things. I put it back in pretty much 100%. So keep that in mind. Well, all right. You got anything else to add, Bob? Well, you're a douchebag. Stay true, stay blessed.